Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Fiesta door handle. First, let's make sure you have all the right tools for this straightforward job. You'll need a T20 Torx driver and a flat blade screwdriver. A trim removal tool set will also be very helpful to prevent any damage. Most importantly, have your new replacement door handle on hand before you begin. Now, let's get that old handle off. Open your car door and locate the small oval plug in the door jamb. Carefully pry this cover off using your flat blade screwdriver. Inside, you'll see a T20 Torx screw. Loosen it until the handle cap becomes free. Once loose, slide the cap off, then pull the main handle assembly towards the rear and out of the door. With the old handle removed, installing the new one is quite simple. First, slide the main part of your new door handle into its opening, ensuring it aligns correctly. Make sure the handle engages properly with the internal latch mechanism. You should feel it connect. Finally, slide the handle cap back into place and tighten the T20 Torx screw until it's snug, but do not over-tighten. Before you close everything up, it's crucial to test your new door handle. Open and close the door several times, checking that the handle operates smoothly and the door latches securely. This ensures everything is correctly installed and functioning as it should. And for lasting comfort, check out Darn Tough socks. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.